Oh my God.
How many people can get on one square at the same time? Open them eyes.
Nope.
Watch out, it's cracking, hurry. Guess what? Today we're gonna do something that we've never done before, and it's gonna freak her out.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're about to take a trip on the SkyLift at the Sky Park. Let's go check it out.
In beautiful Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So we stopped at the Mellow Mushroom, and they have a conjoint company, thank you, called Dude's Daiquiris. And we all got us a little daiquiri. What'd you get?
I got the gummy bear, which is very sour.
What'd you get?
Hillbilly wine.
Hillbilly wine, and what does it taste like?
Moonshine, they said.
Moonshine. And what'd you get?
And I got a strawberry daiquiri.
You got a strawberry daiquiri. She copied me. Look, I got a strawberry daiquiri too.
But I ordered mine first, so I don't see how.
Don't be lying.
I don't see how it's copycat.
That was enough liquid courage to get on the Sky Park.
Gatlinburg Sky Park, home of the record-setting Skybridge. All right, we got our tickets here to get up on the lift all the way to the Skybridge. Let's check it out.
Okay.
Ready to get on?
Here's me with it.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. All right, we made it. Now this one seems, to me, look at that. Somebody's dropped something already.
Oh, no, I can't look down.
She thinks it's a little bit higher than the other one.
Yes.
But it's the same height. Why are you so
scary.
scared?
It's not even like, it's got bench seats that we can fall through.
That's a lie.
And I'm scared.
And you get to cross this beautiful little brook.
Goodness.
And what we're gonna do is go all the way up the mountain. So here's some of the old chairs they used to have. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
They came off the first ride a while ago.
That dry rotted.
They dry rotted. This one doesn't have the cool music, the mountain music, like the last one had. But it's just as fun, look. We're about to get to the edge.
Oh.
Are you having fun?
No,
Why not?
because I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
We should do this.
Because you're flying over the
night,
city?
so I can't see.
She said we should do this at night so she can't see how dangerous and scary it is.
Hi folks, we're about to take your picture, so look right here at the camera and smile.
See?
Wow. And we're about to disembark
Oh no.
right at the top. She's scared again.
Alrighty, my friends, yellow line, stand up, and off to your right, follow those arrows, have a good afternoon.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, we made it. So we made it to the top. That's the reason they call it the Smoky Mountains. So here's a look at inside what the SkyCenter has. All kind of merchandise, memorabilia, pictures, keychains, and more. And magnets. Lots and lots of magnets. Inside they have pizza, pretzels, ice cream, nachos, cold beer, and frozen drinks. And if you come up to the Sky Cafe, they got the menu on a big screen here, like chili bowl, cheese pizza, pretzels, garden salad, and a lot more. And from up here, you have a panoramic view of all the mountains around. And there's a beautiful view of the Skybridge from the side. We made a conscious decision to get on the Skybridge and get all the way, did we not?
No, yeah.
She's scared to death. It's more than beautiful views. It's an engineering marvel. Construction of the Skybridge began in 2017 and opened to the public in 2019. Better check the rules before you go. And here we go.
There goes Brady.
Follow me.
Follow Brady.
How many people can be on this bridge?
So she thinks. I don't know. How
We
many
didn't.
people can be on this bridge at one
Oh,
time?
yeah, and it does rock. So those of you who are afraid of motion sickness or scared of heights,
Yes, but even though the side rails look hot, they're not.
I'm walking with my eyes shut, so I really can't see.
Oh my God, film her shoes that she's walking with. OMG.
It doesn't matter about that.
Stilettos.
I do not.
Look at mine. I barely have on.
Brendan, I hope you're in front of me because I'm walking with my eyes shut.
What?
No, I'm not.
So we can take the Sky Trail at the end and come back to that tower if it's open.
But
Now we're about to get up to the glass portion. We're going to find out if she gets really scared or
oh
not.
my goodness.
Mom's nervous. So she said that she's not able to talk to the people around.
Oh, that's
She's not
good.
able to talk to you guys because she's too nervous.
Bridge
to
is
talk and
squeaking
walk
up
at the same
underneath
time.
us.
All right, let's see.
Well, you're not afraid. You might fall and roll.
Hold on to the side. The side rails aren't hot, Mom.
Oh, I can't do this now. No.
Yes, you can, Mom.
Oh my God, Brandon.
You want to hold on to me again?
No, I'm just
You
going to
can do it.
close my eyes.
Well, you're going to have to take bigger steps. Over. Mom, I'm right behind you. If you fall, it's okay.
Oh no.
Now
no,
look,
no.
how many people can get on one square at the
No.
same time? And here's the 3
Come back across.
centimeter glass that you got to walk over.
Hmm. Watch out, baby.
Mm,
I'm not getting on it.
here's what it looks like right over the glass.
Oh God.
Oh,
Good, man. Go ahead.
They were taking a picture.
sorry.
Sorry.
We got some scared people.
Yep. Oh my God. I am.
Open them eyes.
Nope.
Watch
Nope.
out, it's cracking. Hurry.
Y'all are bad.
Watch out behind you.
You made it. You can open your eyes now.
Your eyes.
Goodness gracious. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. She made it on the sky.
Well, Brandon, you gonna come pick me up from here?
And here's a nice look. Gatlinburg from the Skybridge. It looks like they put this slip resistant cover here, I guess in case it's wet or the snow or the ice. Let's not forget it's 118,000 degrees out here and the heat index is 1,011. Well, how about that? We made it. Here's a better representation.
Oh, it's hot.
See the mountain range?
Mexican family should sit there.
There it is.
They take a
Well, how about them apples?
What happened?
I'll tell you what's
Well, one thing's for sure, if you come out here in the summer, you better have some sunscreen, some kind of protection, because we are getting blistered. So how was your experience right here on the Skybridge?
I got a parachute in my little bag right here, so.
You were safe the whole time. And then what happened? He cracked yours?
Yeah, he tried to break my glass.
Dang, Brennan.
Glass that we walk on.
All right, about to get on.
Up.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no, this.
All right, back down the mountain.
Look how you closed it.
Oh my God, look how he closed it. She has no wiggle room, look. Ah! All right, we're going back down now. What did we do? We went on the SkyLift up to the Sky Park.
Yeah, it was scary. And it was cracking and everything, so.
It was scary and cracking.
Mm-hmm.
We showed you the SkyCenter where you can get all your merchandise when you get up here. If you take this trip when you get to Gatlinburg. But we're gonna show you the city going down. We seem to be at a dead stop. Looks a little bit steeper going down. And we're about to stop again.
I think they're stopping to take the pictures, maybe.
Maybe, not sure. But of course I forgot to take off my flip-flops, so I hope they don't fall.
And this one doesn't have any closed containers either, I've noticed.
Right, it's all chair lifts.
But I have seen a few dogs up there, so.
So I guess you're allowed to bring your pets. I see some dogs up there.
That would be scary.
What, to bring the dog or?
Mm-hmm.
That concludes our video. If you like it, make sure you give us a thumbs up to show some support. And make sure you subscribe to our channel because it helps support the channel.
And it's free.
And if you hit that bell notification, it will let you know of new videos that we post, and we post weekly. We normally say keep beaching, but in this case,
We're gonna say take a hike.